Welcome back to our channel. Meet the Roborock Saros 10R, a robot vacuum and mop combo that's redefining what it means to deep clean your home. Designed for smart, seamless cleaning, the Saros 10R combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and advanced mopping technology in one futuristic unit. Whether you're tackling pet hair, sticky kitchen floors, or dusty corners, this all-in-one cleaner delivers results that are hard to ignore. 3.14-inch ultra-thin design, the Roborock Saros 10R redefines home cleaning with its ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile. Powered by the advanced StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, it eliminates the need for a raised LDS unit, unlike traditional bulky robot vacuums. It easily glides under beds, sofas, cabinets, and coffee tables, reaching hard-to-clean areas with precision. Perfect for homes that value both efficiency and elegance. StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, experience smarter cleaning with advanced 3D sensing technology, enabling precise mapping even under narrow-legged furniture and suspended cabinets. The innovative VertiBeam Lateral Obstacle Avoidance system navigates cables and irregular furniture with ease, cleaning along cords without manual intervention. Powerful cleaning system, with industry-leading 22,000 pascals HyperForce suction, the Roborock Saros 10R effortlessly removes dirt, hair, and debris from all floor types, including hardwood, tile, and carpets. The Zero-Tangling DuoDivide main brush and FlexiArm riser side brush ensure no hair tangles, even with long hair or pet fur. Corner and edge cleaning, the FlexiArm riser side brush and mop automatically extends to reach difficult corners and low spaces under furniture, sweeping away dust with ease. As it detects corners and edges, the mop extends to provide thorough, efficient cleaning. This design ensures comprehensive coverage, effectively eliminating blind spots and leaving every area spotless. Industry-first AdaptiLift chassis, the innovative AdaptiLift chassis, featuring left/right wheels and omnidirectional wheels, effortlessly navigates obstacles up to 4 centimeters high, including thresholds and U-shaped furniture legs. When carpets are With the Roborock Saros 10R, you're not just getting a robot vacuum, you're investing in a next-level cleaning solution. From its precision mapping to its simultaneous vacuuming and mopping system, this device handles dirt, dust, and grime with ease.
Product link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.